How to post long videos on Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and as you do that, launch the Instagram application. As you launch the Instagram application, make sure that you have logged into your account. Then simply tap on your story option at the top left corner of the screen. Here you can select your videos of more than 1 minute. Now let's select one of the videos over here. So let's just tap on it again and select on this story over here. So let's do that again. So let's launch the Instagram application again and tap on your story option and simply select a video that's longer than 1 minute. And then as we selected, it will just go to our Instagram story. So here you can just edit the video, you can just add music, you can add text and so on. Then tap on your stories option, and that's how you can post long videos on Instagram story. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.